Hello and good evening. I'm Cheryl D'Souza and you're watching Goa 365. Our headlines for the day. Law enforcers turn lawbreakers. All Goa Pre-Employment Trainees Association demand parity in pay scale. State Election Commission begins issuing voters' photo ID cards. Deputy Speaker Morvin Goodinow reviews developmental works in Kortali constituency. Ravindra Bhavan inaugurated at Margao. Those were our headlines. Now for the news in detail. What does one do when the police, the custodians of law, lose control of themselves? In an accident at KTC headquarters Porvoori, the Porvoori police inspector Devendra Gad tried to abuse his power and even went to the extent of using filthy and unparliamentary words at the students gathered outside the KTC office with their demands. Later, the police also arrested them. Incidents like these make us wonder whether we really live in a civilized society.
Problem एवढी ताणे आमका बाहेर कशे वाले दुबई करून ताणे मग बसो राईट आम्ही किती केलं ताजे आम्ही सिटीजन्स वी आर प्लीज डोंट जस्ट मीडिया रिपोर्ट व्हाट इज टॉकिंग आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग द मीडिया रिपोर्ट माझे प्रॉब्लेम हांव वचो ना तू वचना तू आता तो म्हाका सांगल ना तुझे किती प्रॉब्लेम आतो यू वांट टू टॉक टू ना तू आता म्हाका गाडी घेरा म्हाका तू प्रॉब्लेम तू गाडी कशी मारली तुझे गाडी मारली कर स्टुडंटा हांवे तुमका किती म्हणलेला हाय तुमका नाच गाडी मारली तू मीडिया चुकतात ना मीडिया तुझ्या गाडी मारली त्या दिवसा मीडियाचे राहतो बोलला स्टुडंटांक गाडी मारल्या तू बोलता हांव आता वर वचो ना त्याकडे तुम्ही आता म्हाका गाडी मारली कर स्टुडंट ना यू ओके डिस्पोज फ्रॉम हियर ना आई एम नॉट डिस्पोजिंग फ्रॉम ओके गेट ओकर यार गाडी कशी मारली ऊपर गाडी कशी मारली जाऊ दे अरे कोण पाहिजे का कोण पाहिजे
It may be recalled that the said police officer was reprimanded on an earlier occasion when he was the sub-inspector posted at the Panjim police station for dereliction of duty. Following the footsteps of Bharatiya Janata Party Student Cell, around 30 students belonging to Student Cell of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress gathered at around 11:30 am at KTC office to demand concession in KTC shuttle services. The situation turned tense as KTC MD refused to divulge details of the proposal sent by the corporation to the government regarding concession on KTC shuttle services. When we spoke to Kadamba Transport Managing Director Sanjay Goyal about the prevailing situation at his office, he informed us that he had made a verbal complaint to the police about the situation.
No, verbally we have intimated them that they are coming, they are not leaving the office, and they are gharawing the office, and they are saying that they will not leave unless something is given in writing, or director transport be called here. I cannot call director transport, how can I call? So if that is the way, then we have to tell them that you see and take care of the situation.
However, speaking to Goa 365, Student Cell of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress Chairman Mr. Sunil Kautankar blamed KTC MD for creating the tense situation.
We entered, we wrote the slip, everything, and we entered his office, but he was very rude with us. He was like abusing us. He was very aggressive, and like he started making personal comments on politics, this and that, and later on he called a cop. He called the police to take action on us. So we don't understand why he is behaving like this. We requested him he told us that they have sent proposal to the government. We requested him politely to at least show us the copy of the proposal so that our students are satisfied that the Kadamba has sent the proposal for 50% concession. But he was not at all ready to listen to a single word from us.
After the Goa Government Employees Association, it is now the All Goa Pre-Employment Trainees Association who are now pressing for their demands of parity in pay scales. The All Goa Pre-Employment Trainees Association President Dayanand Phagi demanded equal pay scale at par with the new employees that have been recruited by the state government.
It may be recalled that Manohar Parrikar, during his reign as the Chief Minister, had started the pre-employment training scheme in the state with the intention of on-the-job training to the staff before they were regularized in various government departments. The scheme was put on the back burner by the succeeding Congress-led government in the state and has been an issue of contention ever since.
Margao got its brand new air-conditioned auditorium on Sunday. The first phase of the Ravindra Bhavan was inaugurated and dedicated to the citizens at a function held on Sunday, the 20th of July. The new Ravindra Bhavan at Margao is slated to be the biggest air-conditioned auditorium in the state with a sitting capacity of 1,150 people.
The Union Art and Culture Minister Ambika Soni, who was to inaugurate the Ravindra Bhavan, could not be present at the function, apparently due to the fluid political situation at New Delhi. The Secretary in the Ministry for Art and Culture, New Delhi, Abhijit Sen Gupta, South Goa MP Francisco Sardina, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik, Chief Secretary JP Singh were the dignitaries present at the inaugural function. The State Cultural Policy 2007 was also released by the Chief Minister on the occasion. The policy strives to be a roadmap for all cultural activities in the state and has been the brainchild of Mr. Kamath. Speaking at the ceremony, Union Secretary for Art and Culture Abhijit Sen Gupta regretted the absence of the Union Art and Culture Minister and said that he was impressed by the cultural palette of Goa. He also praised the Goa Art and Culture Department for having achieved its recent certification by the ISO organization. The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath stated that the day would be written in golden letters and Madgaunkars should be proud of their new acquisition.
की मडगाव या फक्त कमर्शियल कॅपिटल नाही जाल्यार मडगाव ही कल्चरल कॅपिटल म्हणून ओळखली वताली. मडगाव हे एक सांस्कृतिक केंद्र अशें म्हणून गोंयांत ओळखले वताले. पूण आमच्या दुर्दैवान एक तेंप असो आयलो की सगळे कितें मडगाव सोडून भायर जाताले. कला अकादमी जाली पणजेच्या शहरात आणि कला अकादमीचे सगळे कार्यक्रम हे पणजे जावपाक लागले.
He also hit back at his political opponents by highlighting and calling attention to the fact that all the performers at the function were Goans.
म्हाका सांगपाक अभिमान आसा आज हांगा जितलेय आर्टिस्ट आसात ज्या आर्टिस्टांनी आज हांगा परफॉर्म केल्ले आसा हे सगळे नीज गोंयकार आर्टिस्ट आसा. तुम्ही प्रत्येक जण पळया एके आर्टिस्टाक पळया तो सिंगर आसा गायक आसा कातार म्हणपी आसा तबले वाजोवपी आसा पेटी वाजोवपी आसा हे सगळे गोंयकार आसा भायले कोण हाडले ना. आणि आज पर्यंत सरकारान जे काम केलां हे पूर्णपणे गोंयच्या कलाकारांक आदार दिवन वयर हाडपा खातीर काम केल्लें आसा.
The Citizen Welfare Committee, Margao, didn't want to miss the occasion to drive hard their point, demanding the total scrapping of the Margao ODP and chose to demonstrate at the venue of the function.
All the builders who have paid money to them at the rate of 500 rupees per square meter for the conversion, they have followed the same thing as they were following the regional plan. Now they cannot do anything with the regional plan. They are trying to get accommodate themselves with this ODP plan. That is why we have decided to come on the road.
We'll spill into a commercial break. Stay with us.